In today's video, I'll show you how to add file upload questions in Typeform step by step. If you want people to send files like images, PDFs, documents, or screenshots through your form, this feature is very useful and easy to set up. First, open Typeform and go to your workspace. Then either create a new form or open an existing one where you want to collect files. Once you're inside the form builder, click the Add Content button on the left side to add a new question. Now scroll through the question types and select File Upload. As soon as you click it, a file upload field will be added to your form automatically. Next, type your question in the text area. For example, you can write something like, "Upload your resume here," or "Please attach your document." After that, go to the Settings panel where you can customize how the upload works. Here you can control what types of files users are allowed to upload. For example, you can allow only images, PDFs, or specific document formats, depending on your needs. You can also set a maximum file size limit. This helps prevent very large files from slowing down your form or using too much storage. Another useful option is enabling multiple file uploads. If you turn this on, users can upload more than one file in a single response. If the file is important for submission, make sure to turn on the Required option so users cannot skip it. It's also important to give clear instructions so users know exactly what to upload. This reduces confusion and improves the quality of responses you receive. Before publishing, always test your form in preview mode. Upload a sample file to make sure everything works correctly, including file limits and format restrictions. For sensitive uploads like resumes or documents, make sure your form is only shared with trusted audiences to keep data secure. Once everything is ready, click Publish and share your form link through email, websites, or social media. And that's it. You've successfully added a file upload question in Typeform and can now collect files easily from your users. And that's how you add file upload questions in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.